Transferring your Spectrum mobile service to a new phone involves three main steps: backing up your data, handling your SIM or eSIM, and setting up your new device. Always back up your contacts, apps, photos, and settings to cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud before starting, since the SIM only stores network credentials, not your personal data. There are two main types of SIMs: physical SIM cards and eSIMs. Physical SIMs need to be physically moved from your old phone to your new one, while eSIMs are digital and can be transferred via the My Spectrum app. For physical SIMs, power off both phones and carefully remove the SIM from your old device using an eject tool or paperclip, then insert it into your new phone. If the SIM size doesn't match, contact Spectrum for a free adapter or replacement SIM. For eSIMs, use the My Spectrum app to scan a QR code or download the profile directly. The My Spectrum app can generate a QR code that allows instant setup of your phone. These are the basic steps for transferring your Spectrum mobile service to a new phone.